While doctors in Maharashtra continue their strike, yet another case of an attack on a doctor has now emerged. Doctors have claimed that the SMO of Sion Hospital was attacked by a patient's relative last night.
Now, a case has been registered against 3 people in the incident under Section 353. But we've got Siddhant who's joining us live, in fact, from outside Sion Hospital. First of all, Siddhant, tell us, bring us up to speed with what happened last night and what is the case that's been filed against these 3 people?
Well, absolutely. Last night itself, the resident doctors were really upset about the fact that just few hours back, they have got assurance from Girish Mahajan, the minister in Maharashtra government. And this, at the same moment, yesterday evening, one more doctor was attacked by a relative's patient at Sion Hospital, where I'm standing right now. And this is the reason that the entire resident doctors, the group of doctors, was on the premises of the Sion Hospital. They were on floors of this entire premises, and they were protesting against the 4th attack in last 10 days on resident doctors in Mumbai. Later at night, late night, the police arrived to Sion Hospital. They verified it, and just few minutes back, we have got the confirmation from Mumbai police that they have finally registered case against 3 in the attack on Mansi, the doctor at Sion Hospital under Section 353. So this is the latest development. Not only the doctors of the Sion hospitals were asked to resume to work by 8 p.m. yesterday, but they didn't. So even the notices have been served to the doctors at Sion hospitals and various other government hospitals in Mumbai, and the notices are the expulsion notice. The notice clearly states that you are expelled from the hostel and all the facilities given to you by the government. Not only that, they will not be given the certificate of the degree that they are pursuing. So this is the major development by Maharashtra government. They have sent out thousands of expulsion notices to the doctors, those who have not resumed work last night by 8 p.m. That was the deadline given by the government, by the minister in Maharashtra government, Girish Mahajan. And right few minutes back, even the case had been registered in the incident that had taken place last night. The 4th attack on a doctor, SMO, the senior most doctor at Sion Hospital, yesterday when she was giving treatment to a baby child, and the relative of the patient had beaten her, and then immediately the video surfaced on social media, and even video is available with Times Now. Also, the doctors were agitated and they were protesting entire night right outside the premises of Sion Hospital, where I am standing, and you can see in the visual that the special security arrangements have been made by the hospital authority. You can see the bouncers standing right outside the hospital, and even we can see the heavy police deployment right here outside Sion Hospital, just to avoid any kind of panic situation, because the kind of protest that had been offered by the doctors last night was so serious that this is the reason the police department is taking precautions. And just few minutes back, the case had been registered by the Mumbai police in the case of the attack on the doctor. This is the 4th such incident on one end, where the minister Girish Mahajan is assuring doctors for the security at hospital.